Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching my previous video, and this video too. Hope you all benefited from my analysis. I'm going to making this video on review purpose. Review on 3 stocks, how those stocks perform, which I analysis at 24/5/2021. You can watch my video in my description box of 24/5/2021 video link I will give in my description box. You can go there and watch the previous analysis. On that analysis, I give this review how the stock performance. 3 stock analysis date was 24/5/2021. Stock were SBI, Excel Industries, and Bajaj Auto. 3 stocks gives different result. 2 stock SBI and Bajaj Auto meet my first target and corrected, and Excel Industries go first correction, which I tell in my analysis time. I will give my 24/5/2021 video link in my description box. You can all watch my previous analysis there. If you go through that video, then you can understand the analysis. Those are all our analysis based on your technical analysis and all our educational purpose. And if you benefited, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And another thing, if you want to join my technical analysis course, you can join my technical analysis course also. And I review this video through chart analysis also. Just go to chart now. This is the Bajaj Auto analysis. Date was 24/5/21. Price was at that time 4142. This is the price analysis time. I analysis date 24/5/21. This is the price area at that time. 4142 levels is there, and after that price rise, and you can say for 4142 my first target, and it's meet. It's go near 4300, and then price corrected, which I tell in this video, that it's a go to first target and then corrected. It's near to meet my second target, but it's for few point it's failed. The 43 above 4300, it's the target was the target of the second target, but it's not reached there, and it's go near to there after first target hit, and after that it's corrected, and now it's trading in my near support zone. Support zone is sorry, this is the two resistance zones will be not there. This is the two support zone is 4040 and 3950. Then again it can make a new high and go to my second and third resistance levels. If this 4040 and 3950, these two not the resistance, this is the two support will be. I make a mistake here. These two, instead of two resistance, it will be a two support zone. These two support levels is 4040 and 3950. 4040 and 3950. If these two support levels hold, then again it and bounce back from that level, it may go to another 4500 levels, my second and third target. you can go through this 24/5/21 video, then you can get the exact target levels of 4400 and 4500 levels. You get the actual support level, actual resistance levels, or you can say the second or third target levels. This is the Bajaj Auto, how it's performed. This is the after my analysis date. The next chart is the Excel Industries. Excel Industries analysis date 24/5/21 at the same date of Bajaj Auto. That time I give resistance levels and tell that some correction may come to before going to that resistance levels or maybe target levels. I may first come first and may correction come, and first that thing happen. You all know this is the, after this area. It's a go to correction and take a support levels. First things happen now. May after taking support, it may try to go up, and you will see this is the support levels of the 1015 or 1010 levels is the first support levels, and 170 levels is the 160 to 70 levels is the Excel Industries first support levels, and then 1000 to 115 levels was the second support levels. These two support levels, if is try to hold, and you will see this is the try to hold there. If this is holding this support levels, then again it's try to go up the second or third target levels, first, second, and third target levels. And in this previous video, I told when I analyze this chart, I told to all of you this Excel Industries may first go to correct it or try to take the support of this two support levels, and is this happen, which I review in this video, that which I tell in my previous video that things happen in this after this breakout, and these things happen. So you can get the proof of my analysis if you go through this 24/5/21 video. Then you can watch what I tell when I analyze that that chart. You can get the proof of the analysis from the this video and this video. You correlate the when this both. So always go to my description for box to get the link of 24/5/21 video link, and please watch that video also to understand the analysis, not the result of that of the stocks only. You can learn how to analyze that. This is the Excel Industries, and then SBI. Next chart is SBI. At 24/5/21, price was 412 levels, 412 levels, and after that, when I tell to all of you that the first target is 440 levels, and then if hold above 440 levels, then it may go to 500 levels. So these things happen for 412 levels to its rise 400 for 440 levels, or its high maybe 441 levels, and after that it may come down. It's not hold above the 440 levels, so it's come down. If it's hold to the resistance levels or support levels of this 370 to 360 levels again, then it may try to again go to break the 440 levels again, then it may try to achieve the 500 levels. So at this moment, it's try to correct it after the after first meet of 440 levels. So these two target two stocks meet my first target levels, Bajaj Auto and SBI, and Excel Industries, which I tell to all of you that first go to correction and try to take the support levels, separate levels, and it's happened in Excel Industries. Is faster not to achieve the first target levels. It's try calm down and try to hold the support levels, and then try to achieve the first and second and third resistance levels. This video all for educational purpose. Not giving any buy or selling recommendation. And through this video, I review of my past analysis of SBI, Bajaj Auto and Excel Industries stock analysis. How it's performed these stocks, you can get the proof of the analysis, and you get the proof of how it's performed through this video. That is why I make this review analysis also. How the stock performance, you can get this from this video, and you get the proof of my analysis too, and then you can believe the technical analysis, how it's performed the technical analysis. Hope you benefited from my analysis. If you benefited, please do like this video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. If you want to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course, and it will be helpful to trade with the technical and gain maximum time through technical analysis and trade with technical. You will not blindly trade. Then if you blindly trade in and gambling, then that will be a gambling. If you know the price analysis and price chart analysis through chart analysis with help of technical analysis, then you can gain maximum time in the market. So always follow my channel and follow different types of analysis. Please subscribe for that. If you subscribe and press the bell icon, then you can get the instant notification. That will also be helpful. And thanking you to all of my friends. Hope you have all benefited. Thank you.